Hey there, I'm Andrei from Kiravo, and in today's video I'll show you how to create an FTP account and use it to connect to the server with an FTP client like FileZilla. Connect to the control panel, then click your website. In the top menu, go to Advanced FTP, click Add Account. Add your username, your password, and the directory, public HTML, then click Add. Okay, now you need an FTP client like FileZilla. You can download it from filezilla-project.org. Download it and install it. I have it installed already. Now go to File Manager in FileZilla, and here you need to add the credentials to log into the server. So go back to home. The website IP is here. You can copy it and enter it here. Paste. The user is the user we've just created. Test at your domain. I already have it here. Then the password. Now click Connect. Okay. That's it. Now you're connected to the server and you can upload or download files. For example, you want to download a file, right click on it, then click download. Or you can just hold it, drag and drop it here. The same with uploading, right click, upload, or just drag and drop. That's it. That's how you can create an FTP account and use it to upload or download files and folders from your server or to your server.